It is important when measuring on a rotary table that the autocollimator is approximately square to the axis of rotation. We can check this by looking at a double-sided mirror at 180 degrees. Looking at the first phase, we see that the returned image is on the negative side of the y-axis. When we rotate through 180 degrees, that reverses. That tells us that we're not square to the axis of rotation. Taylor Hobson have a levelling stage available to enable this to be made square to the table. By adjusting an adjuster screw in one axis, up or down, and then the other axis, up and down, we can make it square to the axis of rotation. Now, when we make it square, looking at face 1 and rotating through 180 degrees, the y-axis remains in the same place. All that's left to do is to bring the collimator now down at the front so that we have 0 on y, and when we rotate to face 2, 0 on face 2. We are now square to the axis of rotation of the table.